What's he like? Oh, Argentinian, tall, handsome. Oh, wow, fantastic. A new boyfriend for you, maybe. Oh. Oh. Maybe, but don't tell Bridget.
Hector, please, call me Gigi.
Oh, Hector, call me Gigi. Must go, more news later. Hey.
Is Hector still asleep?
Yep.
Hector, wakey wakey. Come on, rise and shine.
Sweet.
Oh.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning.
No. Good morning.
Oh, good morning.
No, Hector. I have a cold.
And so have I.
Oh, you have a cold, Bridget.
Yes, I have a cold.
Yes, we have a cold. So, let's begin again. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, never mind.
Hector, would you like some? New pajamas. Hector, please excuse me for a moment. Psst, Annie, bathroom. Now.
Good morning.
Good morning. Is it fancy dress?
Fancy dress? Yes.
Oh, nice.
Huh.
Hey, nice car, eh?
I have this car at home.
Wow, you have this car at home? Mm-hmm. Girls must love you.
Girls? No.
No? Hector, can I tell you something?
Okay.
The car looks good. Huh? So you must look good too.
I look good.
No, you don't look good. But I can help.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Hector's clothes are awful.
Oh, they're so old-fashioned.
I know. I'll take him shopping.
But Bridget, you're so busy. I'll take him shopping.
No, it's all right. I'll take him shopping.
It's no problem. I'll take him shopping.
I said I'll take him shopping.
You need a... Oh, hi, babe.
Oh, it's you, Nick.
Oh, hi, Nick.
Hector has asked me what clothes to wear.
Yeah, right.
So you need a look like on a fast bike.
No, Hector. Don't listen to Nick. Listen to me.
Okay.
You need a designer look.
No, Hector, that's not for you. You need a cowboy look.
No, a leather jacket.
A bandana and a vest.
A denim shirt.
A motorbike.
Designer.
Cowboy.
Okay? I will go shopping.
What? Your own?
But you need us.
How? What will you say?
It's okay. Leave it to me. I am the shopkeeper, you are the customer.
Huh?
This is a shop. I sell, you buy.
Oh, okay. Ding dong. Good morning.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, I
would like
I would like a jacket, please.
trousers.
Huh?
I would like a pair of trousers, please.
Oh, I would like a pair of trousers, please. And a shirt.
No. Shoes. I would like a pair of shoes, please.
I would like a pair of shoes, please. And a cat for my head.
I think you mean a hat. Look. This is a cat.
A cat for my head! A cat for my head!
Hector, come shopping with me.
Or me.
No, me.
He's my pen friend.
All right. Me, you, and you will go shopping for Hector a little bit each. I will go to the shoe shop.
And I will go to the clothes shop.
No, I'll go to the clothes shop.
Okay, I'll just buy the shirt.
I'll buy the trousers.
Good.
Good.
Right, let's go. Oh, no! I completely forgot. We need eggs, lemons, and dog food. Oh, it's all right. I'll do it online later.
Eggs, lemons, dog food.
Oh, well done, Hector.
Bye, Hector. Oh, and don't answer the phone. It might be the tarantula.
Bye, Hector. Be good. And if you can't be good, be careful.
Huh?
Never mind.
Nadia, I have a cold. Bridget has a cold, and Hector has
New pajamas.
terrible pajamas. Oh, you should see them, Nadia. They are so funny.
Hi, sweetie. I wanted to buy Hector some new clothes on my own. I'll take him shopping. But Annie and Nick said they wanted to shop for Hector as well. So guess what? We're all going shopping for Hector.
Me, you, and you will go shopping for Hector a little bit each.
What will he look like?
And Annie thinks Hector needs a cowboy look.
You need a cowboy look.
And I think he needs a biker look like me, yeah? You need a look like on a fast bike.
Good morning, sir. I would like a cat for my head. A cat. Oh, room service. Hello? I would like an egg for my head. Lemons for my head. Oh, dog food for my head. The tarantula.
I said, who's that?
Hello?
Where's Bridget?
Where is Bridget?
Me! I am Bridget.
I don't believe you.
Yes, I have a cold. Achoo!
Oh, I'm
Achoo!
sorry.
Oh, thank you. Achoo! Shh, Charlie!
Is that a dog?
No, no, it's not a dog, it's Annie. Yes, Annie has a cold also.
Oh, poor Annie.
Thank you. Achoo! Goodbye. Achoo! Achoo!
Ole! I am Hector. I speak English. Eggs, lemons, dog food. Eggs, lemons, dog food.
Oh, hi, good afternoon, Annie.
Good afternoon, Hector. Oh, I bought this for you.
Oh, what is it?
Try it on.
Huh?
Try it on.
Try it on. Oh, try it on. Oh,
Where's Hector? In the bathroom. Good. I'll give this to him. It's okay, I'll give it to him. No, it's all right. Hector? Hector? I've got something for you.
oh, okay. Come in.
Spoil sport.
Hector? Hector?
Hello?
Here are your clothes. You will look so cool.
Cool?
Cool.
Cool!
Nice melons.
Melons? Who are those from? I think Hector has been shopping online. Oh, I'm really thirsty. I need a drink.
But we don't need any melons.
Well, he did try. And he bought some eggs. Yeah. Just a few.
Yo, Dan. Hector did the shopping today. Nice melons. He bought 144 eggs
Just a few.
and 10 melons instead of 10 lemons. What an idiot.
I would like some eggs, please. I would like some lemons, please. And oh, dog food for my head. Thank you.
I went shopping for Hector today and bought him something really cool. I cannot wait for him to try it on. Try it on?
I went to the clothes shop and bought Hector a really trendy outfit. He will look just like David Beckham.
I've got something for you.